morning, children. Welcome to Naveen Sir class. In previous class, we learned how to construct a triangle with the given three sides, or two sides included angle, or two angles included side, or right angle, hypotenuse, and adjacent side. Today, we are going to revise the construction of triangles. We are constructing a triangle MAN with MA 4 centimeters, angle M 45 degrees, and angle A 100 degrees. So first we should draw a rough sketch of triangle with given measurements. So first we are drawing rough sketch. So line segment was MA 4 centimeters. After that, at center A, we should draw 100 degrees as a ray, name as a AX, 100 degrees, and at center M, represent 45 degrees, measure 45 degrees, and name as a ray, we should draw a ray as a MY, the intersection of point, name as a N. So like this we should draw the rough sketch. So first after drawing rough sketch we should draw a line segment MA 4 centimeters. So first I am drawing line segment MA 4 centimeters. So here 4 centimeters. MA 4 centimeters. Next, by using protractor, angle A, the given 100 degrees. So the position, the pointer, the middle point of protractor, we should place on the point A, and the edge of the protractor should be aligned with coincide with the line segment MA. So like this, the position should be, you should place on the point A, and these two lines, the edge of the protractor and MA line segment should be coincide. Now 100 degrees. 100 degrees is more than 90 degrees. So where is the 100 degrees? So here the 100 degrees. So represent the 100 degrees, and by using ruler, join, draw a ray. By using ruler, we should draw a ray and name as AX. So this is 100 degrees. And next, angle M 45 degrees the given. So by using protractor, we should measure the 45 degrees. So same, the pointer of middle pointer of protractor we should place on the point M, and the edge of the protractor should coincide with the line segment MA. Now 45 degrees. 45 degrees is less than 90 degrees. So here 90 degrees. So less than 90 degrees, where it is 45. 45, nothing but it is between 40 and 50 middle line. So like this, here we should represent 45. Now by using ruler, we should draw a ray. We should, like this, we should draw a degrees. This is a triangle where the two rays are intersected. Their name as a N. Now the equal triangle MAN is formed. So here the given angle A 100 degrees. So by using protractor with center A, we should take 100 degrees and we should draw a ray AX, and angle M 45 degrees. By using protractor with center M, we should measure 45 degrees and we should draw another ray as a MY. The two rays are intersect to each other. The intersecting point we should name as a N. Now the required triangle MAN is formed. After constructing the triangle, steps of construction we should write. So steps of construction, first step, draw a rough sketch of triangle given measurements. So first we draw rough sketch of triangle MAN by given measurements. MA 4 centimeters, angle M 45 degrees and angle A 100 degrees. Now second step, draw a line segment MA length of 4 centimeters. So after that we are going to actual construction. First we should draw a line segment MA length of 4 centimeters. Next third step, draw a ray AX making an angle 100 degrees with center A. So here we should draw a ray AX by making angle 100 degrees with center A. Next fourth step, draw a ray as a MY making an angle 45 degrees with center M. So we should draw another ray as a MY by making angle 45 degrees with center M. So here mark the intersecting point of two rays as N. So the intersecting of two rays AX and MY, the intersecting point we should name as a N. So the required triangle MAN is formed. The required triangle MAN is formed. So here angle A is 100 degrees the given. So which type of triangle is this? Obtuse angled triangle. Why? Because in a triangle one angle is obtuse angle, then it is called as a obtuse angled triangle. So we know that sum of three angles is equals to 180 degrees. So 100 plus 45. How much? 145. Then remaining is how much? 35 degrees. Then is equals to 180 degrees. So one angle is obtuse angle. Then triangle MAN is obtuse angle triangle. Here we are constructing triangle ABC, right angle at A and BC 6 centimeters and AB 5 centimeters. So with this given measurements we should construct a right angle triangle. The given right angle at A and BC is hypotenuse 6 centimeters and AB we should treat as a base as a 5 centimeters. So now here first we should draw a rough sketch. So first we should draw a line segment AB 5 centimeters. After that we should draw a ray AX by making angle 90 degrees. And by using compass with 6 centimeters radius we should draw an arc to intersect AX at C. Then we should join BC. The required triangle is formed. So here like this we should draw a rough sketch first of all. This is 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. So next, first draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters. So we should draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters. So first I am drawing a line segment by using ruler, length 5 centimeters, and we should name as an AB. Like this, I am drawing 5 centimeters and name as AB 5 centimeters. We draw a line segment. Next, second step, we should construct angle with center A by making an angle 90 degrees by using protractor. So the pointer of protractor we should place at the center A, and the edge of the protractor should be aligned with line segment or coincide with line segment AB. So here we should represent, we should place like this. The point of protractor should be, we should place at the center A. Now right angle is nothing but exactly 90 degrees. So here it is right angle 90 degrees. After that we should draw a ray by using ruler. We should draw a ray like this. Name as a AX. Here it is 90 degrees. After that, by using compass, we should take BC 6 centimeters. So here 5 centimeters we got, adjacent sides we got, but what we are using? Yes, hypotenuse. So BC is a hypotenuse. So by using hypotenuse and the adjacent side, that is side, either it is height or base, and by using right angle, we are constructing the right angle triangle. So now we should take the measurement radius 6 centimeters by using compass and ruler. So 6 centimeters we should take like this. Here this is 6 centimeters. Now take the exact measurement 6 centimeters like this. We should take 6 centimeters. Now this pointer of the compass we should place at the center B, and we should draw an arc. It will intersect the AX ray at C. Now by using ruler we should join B and C. By using ruler we should join B and C like this. The required triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC is formed. Steps of construction. After constructing the triangle, right angle triangle ABC, you should write the steps of construction. First step, draw a rough sketch of triangle given measurements. So we should draw rough sketch of triangle by using given measurements. So next step, second step, draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters. So we should draw a line segment by using ruler, length 5 centimeters. Next, third step, draw a ray AX making an angle 90 degrees with AB or center A with AB or center A. We should draw a ray AX by making angle 90 degrees. Next, fourth step, draw an arc with radius 6 centimeters from B. So we should draw an arc by using compass and ruler with radius 6 centimeters. So it will intersect the AX ray at point C. Now join B comma C. Join B comma C. The required triangle ABC is formed. So the required triangle ABC is which type of triangle? Right angle triangle. When we triangle has a right angle triangle, one angle is a right angle, then the triangle is said to be a right angle triangle. So in this way we will construct the right angle triangle with the given hypotenuse